Klerk AI is making waves as one of the best AI tools just released, but is it really worth your time? In this Klerk AI review, we'll cover 7 crucial things you need to know before diving in. Stick around till the end to find out if Klerk AI can truly take your business or digital marketing efforts to the next level. Before we get started, you can try Klerk AI for free using the first link in the description. This is your chance to test it out yourself and see if it lives up to the hype. Let's jump straight into what makes Klerk AI stand out. First off, its user interface is incredibly intuitive. You don't need to be a tech expert to get started. If you've used other AI tools before, you'll immediately notice how simple it is to navigate and get tasks done quickly. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned digital marketer, Klerk AI is designed to streamline your work with minimal learning curve. Now, let's talk about the features. Klerk AI is packed with advanced capabilities. One of its key strengths is its content generation. Whether you need blog posts, social media updates, or even email copy, Klerk AI delivers high-quality content that's tailored to your needs. And unlike other AI tools that can sometimes sound robotic, Klerk AI has a conversational tone that keeps your audience engaged, making it perfect for content creators and marketers. Another feature you'll love is the automation. Klerk AI allows you to automate a lot of your digital marketing processes, from SEO analysis to social media posting. This can save you hours of work each week, giving you more time to focus on strategy and growth. For business owners looking to scale, this is a game changer. If you're worried about the quality of the AI, don't be. Klerk AI uses advanced machine learning to ensure that the content it generates is relevant, accurate, and effective. Whether it's researching topics, generating copy, or even optimizing SEO, Klerk AI's precision makes it a top contender in the space. And let's not forget about integration. Klerk AI easily integrates with the tools you're already using, like Google Analytics, WordPress, and major email marketing platforms. This means you can plug it into your existing workflow without disrupting your operations. One thing I want to highlight is the personalization options. Klerk AI allows you to set specific parameters for the content it generates. You can customize tone, style, and length, ensuring that it matches your brand voice perfectly. This level of customization is rare in AI tools and makes Klerk AI stand out in the crowded market. But of course, no software is perfect. While Klerk AI does a lot right, some users might find that its deeper features require a bit more learning to fully maximize. It's powerful, but for those looking for a fully hands-off experience, there might be a slight learning curve as you get familiar with all its functionalities. Finally, if you're not sure whether Klerk AI is right for you, remember that you can try it for free. Use the link in the description and explore everything it has to offer. If it fits your needs, you can easily transition to a paid plan, but there's no risk up front. So, after testing thousands of AI software tools, Klerk AI is definitely worth considering. It combines ease of use, powerful features, and seamless integrations, everything you need for effective digital marketing. And as always, I've included my recommended AI tools in the description below that you can try for free. Don't forget to check them out and see which one works best for you.